Hi folks, my name's Ben Ash. Welcome to the series of Wake Up and Smell the Coffee. Like many of you creatives out there, it's been unbelievably frustrating. Our plans kind of put to one side and indefinitely put on hiatus. But the thing is to remember, this is only a temporary phase. You've got to be ready. But how do we do that? I put a shout out in this video to Nick Bettini, who is the author of Just Play, is actually doing webinar conferences and is inviting other creatives to come join him on his platform every Friday. It's a great networking opportunity. It's a great time to share with other creatives to see how you're coping with things, how they're coping with things, and how collectively you can probably get really inspired by some new fresh ideas or actually reinforcing some of your own positive aesthetics already. So get onto Nick Bettini's socials as soon as you can. So you keep rocking, you stay inspired, you be safe, you never ever be afraid. Be ready.